Part D. Listening 1. Listen and complete the student's profile.
Hi,
Hello. How can I help you?
I'm a new student in this school.
Okay. I need some information from you. I'm going to ask you some questions. Are you ready to answer?
Yes, I am.
What's your name?
Tom. My name is Tom.
What's your surname?
My surname is Black. I'm Tom Black.
How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
What country are you from?
I'm from New York in the USA.
What's your home address?
It's Flower Street 66.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 781-5236.
Thank you. And some questions about your family. How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family, my parents, my 2 brothers and I.
What's your father's name?
His name is Rob.
And the last question. What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Helen.
Thank you.
Great. Have a nice day. Bye.
Goodbye.
Part D. Listening 2. Listen and write the 4 sentences. Example. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. He is a doctor. 1. My wife's favorite color is yellow. My wife's favorite color is yellow. 2. This is a photo of my grandparents. This is a photo of my grandparents. 3. These are my sister's paints. These are my sister's paints. 4. My husband is 48 years old. My husband is 48 years old. This is the end of Part D.